Describe for me your week in one sentence.
Frustrating. Sorry, what's the one word? My week was quite frustrating with trades, and I had a tiler gate.
Harry has learnt the hard way that good tilers are hard to find.
If I can't lock in a tiler by this afternoon, then I'll be in trouble. Trying to find a tiler.
I think he called every tiler in Melbourne.
What happened to Tyler? Gone.
He didn't, and he's not answering his phone.
It's now Wednesday and he's still searching.
Oh, I need someone. Oh, can you help us out? I was getting quite frustrated. I need you. I need you. I need you. Desperately. No toilet, no bathroom. Yeah, can you look? I need you. I'm fully on board with this because I don't want to this one up.
Harry finally gets to meet his new tiler, Mohammed, with open arms.
Mohammed, I'm the tiler.
Mohammed, thanks for coming.
Tilers are a very hard trade to find, so we feel pretty lucky that we've managed to secure someone so last minute.
So it's going to be tank or waterproof tonight?
Yep.
Ready for you tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, yeah.
Despite their modest bathroom size, Harry and Tash are going all out with tiles this week. Blue feature tiles on the shower wall, large grey tiles to cover the remaining walls, and a third pattern tile on the floor.
OK, great.
That's it. Thank you very much.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Your builder was saying it's probably half a day behind.
Well, we've been half a day behind, but I think most people are. Even House 5 are still demolishing, and it's Wednesday.
Over in House 1, Harry and Tash are ready to start tiling their guest ensuite.
Mate, you're killing me. He's killing me.
But there's a problem.
Waiting for the tiler. Has he shown up yet?
The phone kept going. Every time I rang him, it kept going message bank.
What's your Tyler doing wrong?
He's not even. I've rung him. He's not in answering. He said he came in. He's been inducted.
Yep.
I thought I'd be here in the morning.
He hasn't shown up?
No.
And not answering his phone?
No. It's just straight to message bank, which is with no message.
Annoying.
This tiling drama's gone on from Monday right to now. Frustrating. And today's Thursday. Yeah. Can't get hold of him.
Don't know where old Mohammed is.
We're waiting for Mohammed to arrive and start the tiling, and no Mohammed.
Oh, that's ringing. No, it's not.
I rang him multiple times. Still nothing. I was getting frustrated.
It's mid-morning and news has got around about Harry's tiler being a no-show. So Sarah and George have dropped by to offer some moral support.
I just said...
My legs.
What's he doing?
And grapes.
We don't have a Tyler, but we have grapes.
I'm good. I've got a title now, so I have to.
Oh, yay!
He's coming. He's going to come up. He's going to put his job on hold and he's going to come. So let's
What a
just put him.
legend.
Yeah, thanks, guys. Oh, beautiful. After a long time and not being able to contact Mohammed, I decided to contact High Pages and get another tiler to do the work that I could rely on. That's when I contacted Sam. They're actually nice. So we'll get a lot done. Anyway, I got to do this.
Hey, can I join you?
Yeah, come in.
Oh, when you see what it's happening, you get it.
What's he doing?
He's on his lappy.
You know, if I'm having a bad day, I'll have a chat to George, or George has a chat to me if he's having a bad day, and he just, opens his, open heart. Your tiles look good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, I do like it.
Thanks, man.
And George is funny,
Shouldn't have favourites.
Well, but you do. You tend to sort of go to more one. You do.
Am I your favourite child?
Of course you are. You're the first.